Tukiambiriria mohoro maitu ni ati ngwataniro ya NASA hwaini wa umuthi ni yaniriire ati ndigwitikira kaimana maumirira ma githurano kinene kiria giatabanirio mweri 8 wa kanana.
Kugarira mutongoria wa ngwataniro iyo niwe Raila Odinga niugite ati maumirira ma kura mabangitwo ona mbere ya githurano kinene gukorwo gigitabanio amu ngurani ya kura ciake na cia Uhuru Kenyatta yari ya gicunji kia 11 harĩ 100 kuma kiambiriria.
Riu Raila oigite ati megutwara cira wa kubinga maumirira ma githurano kiu igoti-ini rinene niguo thirikari ya Jubilee eherio wathanini.
We had said, and we had said that we will not go to court. But with the raid on civil society and determination to silence all voices that could seek legal redress, like the AFRICOG and the Kenya Human Rights Commission, you have now decided to move to the Supreme Court and lay before the world the making of and lay before the world the making of a computer-generated leadership. By going to court, we are not legitimizing misplaced calls by some observers for us to concede, but are seeking to give to those who brave the long lines in the morning chill and hot afternoon on Tuesday, August 8th, 2017. Mothers with their children tied on their backs, the sick, people with disabilities, old and young, a chance to be heard. Furthermore, we act on behalf of those who have been blocked from seeking redress in courts, such as the sustained clampdown on the civil society that have attempted to go to court. NASA wants to show the world what transpired in the fraud. Even as we go to court, we are cognizant of the fact that ever since Uhuru Kenyatta and William Ruto publicly warned the judiciary, the IEBC has not lost a single case in court.